What is up, fam? Today we are fixing some squeaky brakes. My front and rear brakes have been squeaking for a little bit. I think I just got some crud on them while cleaning or something, so this is how I go about cleaning them. So you'll need the T25 Torx Allen to get the rotors off. You can kind of see it just doesn't look quite how it's supposed to, kind of like it's got oil or something on it. You'll need that, some isopropyl alcohol. I always find it easiest to keep grime off of stuff if you've got gloves, and then some shop towel. I've touched a few things, so I'm going to spray my gloves just to keep them clean. So we'll start with cleaning the rotor, and then we'll clean the brake pads as well. So I just like to spray the whole thing, grab a shop towel, and then wipe whatever grime off. And you can see there's a little bit of black coming off, so there was definitely something on there. So we'll let that set for a second. We'll also take the brake pads out and get those. I feel like I've had issues with squeaky brakes quite a bit, so I just go all out and we're gonna burn these puppies. Some calipers will just have the pin and then this will slide out, but the Shimano SLX actually has a 3mm bolt that also holds in the pads. So there's nothing visible on here, but like I said, we're gonna clean them right up. I'm gonna spray and wipe them first, and then we're gonna spray and burn. You can also sand them. I'm not sure. I might have sandpaper. One sec. Yeah, this should work. Some 600 grit. So we'll give it a little sand. Alrighty. Now the fun part. So obviously alcohol is flammable. Let it soak in a little bit and then let it burn. I have done this one other time and it actually worked very, very well. You can also clean the little spring. At this point, everything's clean. I'm gonna change my gloves so I don't reintroduce anything. They're all clammy now. While I wait for my hands to dry and for these to cool down, we can attach that rotor again. Just some of this Park Tool medium strength thread blocker. Also be sure when you're throwing the rotor back on, make sure that you pay attention to the rotation direction. Shimano recommends 2 to 4 Newton meters for their rotor bolts. I just like to err on the side of tight, so I'm gonna go 4. Of course, my hand touched a little bit, so I'm just gonna give it another spray with the isopropyl. And we'll wipe that. New gloves before we mess anything else up.
Hi, airplane! That's these are airplanes.
Mm-hmm.
They're together. That's a birdie.
Alright. Let's go throw these puppies back. One of the things I really like about Trex bikes, on almost every bolt they have the torque setting. For this, 10 Newton meters. Let's go ride it and see if it still squeaks. It might need to be bedded in, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll see. Alrighty. better. Quick, easy way to get rid of the brake squeak, make them feel like new again. Best way to prevent it is just be careful. I often get lazy and don't put the covers over the discs. But yeah, just to be careful not to get any type of lubricant or anything on those rotors or pads all winded from bedding in the rotors, flying up and down the road. I forget the specific process, but I usually just end up doing I go half speed and then gradually brake 5 to 10 times. You don't want to come to a complete stop. That's, I think, pretty crucial. And then I'll do 5 to 10 fast as I can and then brake. Again, not coming to a complete stop and not fully locking up that brake. So same process with the front. You don't need to see that again. If you liked this little instructional video, let me know and we can do more of these. Hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.